The issue of energy depletion has increased to alarming levels. Nowadays, countries around the world have used alternative energy to save energy. One of them is solar energy.
Source in our solar system. Here's a hint. It's 1 million times bigger than the Earth, and without it, our planet would be a dark, cold rock floating in space. You guessed it, the incredible, brilliant sun. The Earth gets more energy from this ball of fire and gas in one day than the whole world's population uses in an entire year. Every living thing depends on the sun for its existence, from tiny microbes deep in the ocean to plants, animals, and people. Humans have been tinkering with solar energy since the dawn of time. Ancient civilizations used glass and mirrors to light fires, but it wasn't until the 1950s that technology was developed to convert the sun's energy into electricity using photovoltaic cells. Today, solar technology is more efficient and less expensive, and is used all around the globe to create electricity, heat water, cook food, and even power vehicles.
Go around the school and have no way to go to gather. What are we going to do?
The garbage is still overloading that the trucks cannot be thrown away. So, to solve this problem, the solar power recycle bin was invented that we call the big belly solar.
Of solar energy is solar-powered trash and recycling compactors. This kind of trash bin is continually made, used, and developed in different cities around the globe. It absorbs solar energy, then a sensor measures capacity, and compacts the garbage to save up to as 8 times space as normal trash bins. When it is full, it can send notification to a management system.
In a small interview with 8 students, we surveyed that 35% of students who understood the working principle of the solar-powered bin, 65% did not understand or care about the invention. After hearing about the features and benefits, 86% of the students support the invention, while the rest worry that the installation will be costly, even higher taxes than normal because the demand for waste is very high. In summary, the use of solar battery trash is a good idea, saving the cost of cleaning garbage, friendly environment, save waste area, avoid rubbish.
Maybe your house uses quite a lot of electric power in housing activities like cooking, bathing. Your neighborhood recently have switched to use solar cells to save electricity. Have you tried it?
I didn't know that. What is that?
Yes, the energy batteries on the roof will transfer the energy from the sun to the power supply to the family, and as well save quite a lot of power for the state.
How do solar panels usually work? When the sun hits a solar panel, the material inside, usually silicon, absorbs the energy. This causes the electrons in its atoms to get very excited and start dancing around. The atoms then get hot and shed the electrons, which travel out of the panel through copper wiring, and zap! We have electricity. A control device, called an inverter, changes this electricity from direct current to the alternating current we use. The electricity then passes from breaker boxes to outlets and then to electrical items, like your computer and lights. Whatever you don't use can go back into the grid to be used by someone else. So there you have it, the amazing power of the sun. Some people see a future where most of our energy can come from this pollution-free and renewable resource. And that's a sunny outlook that will make the whole world smile.
inventing more and more technology applied to machines that use electricity yielded by absorbing sun rays. These kind of technologies are not only reliable and cost-saving but also pollution-free. Our familiar backup battery can easily be fully charged simply by exerting the solar panels. And look, you can put your phone in these solar charger cases to at least extend the battery time. First of all, solar power helps to slow or stop global warming. It does not pollute the air by releasing harmful gases, like carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide or sulfur oxide. So, the risk of damage to the environment is reduced. Secondly, renewable energy source. We can collect sunlight which is available every day in all areas of the world. Solar energy will be accessible as long as we have the sun. Therefore, sunlight will be available to us for at least 5 billion years. Third, solar power saves electricity bills. By installing solar panels in your home, solar energy takes up energy-consuming activities. And with the rocketing of electricity costs, solar energy saves up much money. Most reliable solar panel manufacturers give 20 to 25 years warranty. Money invested in solar power creates 2 to 3 times more jobs than money invested in coal or natural gas. First one is high initial capital cost. The initial cost of purchasing a solar system is fairly high. Nevertheless, solar technologies are constantly developing, so it is assumed that price will go down in the future. Secondly, solar panels are dependent on sunlight to effectively gather solar energy. Therefore, a few cloudy, rainy days can have a noticeable effect on the energy system. Lastly, solar panel uses a lot of space. To make more electricity, you need a lot of solar panels. Solar panels require a lot of space to fit the number of panels that you would like.